Helpers. Helpers designed for everyone that using colors and not only colorblind people. There are several websites with online services that we can use them to know RGB, CMYK or hex code of a color that we are looking for. And some of them are so helpful to making palette for our works. Here we will review some of these helpers without need to have any software to find out color code and more. If you're using Google Chrome browser, one of the extensions which is so useful for you is eyedropper. By having this extension, you can easily select any colors on the website and use the RGB or other codes. So as you can see, by having this extension on your browser, you will have this icon on the top. So when you're opening a website, by clicking on the icon, you can easily select any colors and find out the codes. Pick from web page. As you can see, this is the color that we choose, and these are the RGB HSL code and even the hex. You can choose other colors too. And even you can have palette here. So this is one of the simplest things that you can use. There are some websites that give you the option to upload a picture and then find out the colors on the pictures, same as this one. By clicking on the pictures, you will have the code of the color. It's HTML code, RGB code, and HSV. As you can see, this one is very helpful. It shows hex code, RGB and CMYK code. Just move around your image that you upload and have the codes. Some of the websites are useful for palettes. For example, in this website you can upload your image and then it will give you different palettes like light color palette, medium color and dark color palette. I can move around and have the hex code, and even I can make my palette by selecting different colors. This website will provide a color scheme for you. You can select your color and then by choosing different scheme, you can use it completely easy. Even you can change the color, for example blue. I can even select different shades. It will give you a variety of choices and examples. Even if you're working for web design, you can see how this palette looks on the white page or dark page. Adobe Color is very useful for a color scheme, and even you can have some palette from the image. As you can see here, you can have different color scheme and you can change it to whatever you're looking for, depends on your artworks. Extract from an image. Just upload the image and as you can see, different palette. Even you can choose it by yourself, changing some colors, and you will have another one. And you can even explore other people's palettes. It's very good to know this information. This image made by this color. Colors is a very useful palette maker. By hitting space, you can change this palette. And when you like some of them, you can make other changes, like this one, choosing different tint and shade. Or move them. Or adjust them. And if it's okay, you can lock it. Then by changing the palette, it will not change. Even in this one, you can upload your image. As you can see, it will select different colors. And you can even make change. You can search on internet and find more websites to use according to your needs. Programs. What Color? What Color is a software program developed by Nakahara Hikaru. What Color identifies a color of the pixel on the screen of your PC. What Color tells you not only RGB values, but also the name of the color of the point. Unfortunately, Mac version of What Color is not available. This program is very useful, and I use it to make sure all colors are right in my project or to find colors code. We solve deflector. By using filters, VSOLs allow better discrimination of colors by making colors lighter, darker, or increase the saturation. This program works on Windows and Mac. Here you can see how it works.